So, never trust a man who puts pineapple on the pizza.
Yes, we are rolling.
Alright. Graphic designing, marketing, photography, copywriting. Whatever it may be, you're great at doing what you do and just want to keep doing that. I get it. I've been there. When I was running my tech agency, I just wanted to build great products. Building a sales funnel, engaging with prospects, doing cold outreach, everything in between were among the last things I wanted to do. Very soon I realized though that cash flow, sustainability and growth comes from a predictable sales funnel. Without a predictable sales funnel, my agency was essentially a gun without the bullets. It's just a rock made of metal that doesn't even bounce satisfyingly when thrown on a lake. So today, I'm going to talk about sales funnels. What are they? Why are they important? And how can you build them? My name is Yash. I used to be an investment banker who started an IT agency, scaled that agency to a 55 people team that built SaaS, fintech and e-commerce web and mobile applications. I now run Clientjoy, a platform that helps 4,000 agencies and 9,000 freelancers from 90 plus countries grow their business and manage their clients. Welcome to the Agency Advocate. Before we talk about sales funnels, let's talk about how people buy things. Purchase behaviors, as it's referred to most often. As most things in life, purchase decisions are motivated or influenced by three key things: people, things, and circumstances. Since we're talking about purchase behavior for clients of agencies, freelancers, and independent businesses, they will primarily revolve around circumstances. See, every prospect that reaches out to you is in a difficult circumstances already, or is with the knowledge that they are about to face a problem. This problem could be consistently getting less traffic on the website, or having bugs in the software they've developed, or upgrading the photographs of their product on their e-commerce website. So it's important for you to realize that when they come to you for social media management or performance marketing or SEO strategy or content writing or ask for photography proposal or require augmentation of their tech team, they are not actually looking for those things. They are not looking for your services. They are looking for a solution to their problem. Right? And so, across all the different stages of your sales funnel, it is vital that you continue to talk about their problems and build confidence as to how you will be able to offer them a solution. Again, do not sell your services. Sell solutions to their problem. Now that we got that cleared up, coming back to sales funnels. Here's what a typical sales funnel looks like. The prospect becomes aware about a problem they are facing and decides to find a solution. They then start looking for solutions and come across you when they become interested in what you have to offer. After that, they start engaging with you, which hopefully instigates a desire in them to work with you, and finally, they take action of signing a contract or making advance payment to work with you. That's it. 4 easy steps of how they make a purchase decision: awareness, interest, desire, and action. A good way to think about this is that every client or prospect of yours is like Harry Potter.
Yes, that's how Voldemort words it on.
Oh, okay. Is it this then?
That's better.
Sure. So, sorry. A good way to think about this is that every client or prospect of yours is like Harry Potter. Humble, brave, and full of potential. All they need to achieve their potential is a wand. And there are many wands to choose from. Some are expensive, some look beautiful, some are outdated, but they are looking for a wand that fits them perfectly, that can effectively channelize their power and ultimately unlock their potential. And so, all you've got to do while a prospect is going through their purchase journey is to make them realize that you are the perfect fit for them. Not the best in the industry, not the cheapest in the industry, not the smartest in the industry, just a best fit for them. Let's look at each of these stages one after the other and figure out what you can do to push people or prospects from one stage to the next. Awareness. This could come from multiple places. It could be through your social media, search engines, digital ads, gig platforms, or a video much like this. There's an argument to be made that all of this video is just a way of me making you aware about Clientjoy. Let me know in the comments if this is working.
Yeah, boy.
Anyways, your job at this time is only to make them aware that you have a solution to their problems. That's it. And so, if your LinkedIn profile reads helping e-commerce companies sell more products, or helping SaaS products secure their platforms, or helping brands tell an engaging story through copywriting, that's good enough. Once they become aware, you want to generate interest in them to learn more about you. Interest. This could come from your website, review platforms, communities, podcast appearances, portfolio showcases, events, you name it. Your job at this time is to build trust in while their interest lasts in you. You can do this by sharing testimonials, social proofing, case studies, etc. And they don't need to be polished or high quality. They just need to reiterate over and over as to how you have solved problems exactly like the one your prospect currently has for other people previously, and how you are dependable, trustworthy, and deliver more than expected. That's good enough. Once they have interest, you want to instigate desire in them to work with you, right? And so desire could come from your first call with them or meeting with them. At this time, your job is to listen to them and to their problems. Make sure that you also qualify them. I've done a separate video on a lead qualification framework. I'm linking that in the description below. Check it out after this. At this stage, ask as many questions as possible and make sure they're able to relate to you. Talk to them about your nuanced approach. Share some counterintuitive advices. You're still not selling, you're just having a conversation with your future friend. Let's look at what has happened until now in the life of your clients or prospects. They had a problem, became aware that you're offering a solution, became interested and checked out your previous work, which built trust, followed by you having a call or a meeting with them where you now know everything there is to know about their problems and current circumstances. Now comes the last part, action. Typically, it is at this stage where you will go into the details of the project, negotiate with them and close them. This could be them signing a proposal or a contract or making an advance payment. Negotiation and writing scope documents are separate videos altogether that I'll be doing soon. Keep looking at this space for more. Another aspect to remember about building sales funnels is that it is like math. Everyone hates it. Few people are really good at it, and they become good at it with patience and practice. Keep doing it, and one day it will happen. And in the immortal words of Robert H. Goddard, it is difficult to say what is impossible, since the impossible of yesterday is the hope for today, and the hope for today is the reality of tomorrow. Right? And that's it. When you do these few things consistently, favorable outcomes will follow. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you learned something today, hit the like button on this video and let the algorithm gods know that something interesting is happening here so they can send in more people. If you still have open questions, do write them out in the comments below and I'll respond. I do growth videos weekly, and if you'd like to learn from them, do consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so you never miss another update. Until next time.